have to fix messenger emoji problem. So without further ado, let's jump into our topic. So if you've not been able to use emojis from the emoji section on your keyboard while using Messenger, then the first thing that I'd like to recommend for you to do is go to App Store, and then in the search section of the App Store, search for Messenger. And after this page opens right here, if you have an update button instead of an open button right here, make sure that you update the app. So what this does is that it fixes all the bugs and adds new features to your Messenger. So this might be one of the solutions for your problem of fixing the Messenger emoji problem, or else what you can also do is in the search bar again search for Gboard. So this right here is a Google keyboard. So this has more emojis, more features, more GIFs, right? So you can just install this app right here, click on get, and now after the app is installed, click on open, click on get started. Then it'll lead you to the page in the settings, so you can just click on keyboards and enable the Gboard option right here. And after you have done so, your Gboard has been enabled. So let's just go to one of the messaging app right here. Let's go to Messenger, and if you just click on this section right here, the globe section, then you will be able to enable your Gboard. So just click on it, and then your Gboard has been enabled, right? And then you can just get full access to emojis as well as GIFs, more stickers as well. So these are the two ways to fix the Messenger emoji problem. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.